Okay, it's fucking nasty.
Smells like my belly button.
Ew, Vicky! That is the fucking most disgusting smell. I'd rather smell my kid's shit than that fucking shit. It is nasty.
I'm just kidding. I smell it. I clean it with a Q-tip.
Did you fucking hear that I fucking pulled my belly button ring out?
I heard and I didn't. Give it to Alyssa. Give it to Alyssa.
It's fucking sick. Don't smell it.
Lead on.
She stuck her gauge up my nose.
Mine too. So we have nasty pictures of Stinky belly button earful. Your belly button. How'd you rip it out?
No, there's like a fucking.
Oh, I saw it. I didn't even know what to say. I was so drunk. I hadn't slept all night and I didn't know what to say. I was gonna say, "Oh my god," and then I was like, "Oh, I can't say." Oh my
Okay,
god.
that piercing hurt more than my pussy piercing. Okay.
You ripped that one out too?
No.
What the hell is wrong with you? Oh, my belly! Oh, ripping it out hurts.
Oh my god.
Alyssa, get her! Get her!
She's sticking a gauge up our noses.
And it smells like belly button or asshole ring. It smells like someone shoved it in their butt and pulled it out and sniffed it.
Oh my god, it smells so gross.
And your videotape
She
the whole
touched my
thing.
fucking nose with it and it won't go away.
Wash your face and brush your teeth, Homer.
Damn it.
Candy camera.
Cassie, that's so nasty.
How'd you like it if I didn't wash my balls for about 4 days and just fucking rub that motherfuckers and just
That's
up
what
your
it would
nose?
smell like. I think
Think about it. Honey, don't get mad, but the next 4 days I'm gonna be right.
don't come near me. Do not come near me.
I'll teabag you too.
Asleep, I will turn around and punch you in the face.
Oh my god.
Thank you. I told you I needed someone to punch in the face and